up, YouTube? Doing an update today. I got up this morning, just happened to go look on Craigslist and found a mower for 150 bucks. Got them down to 100, even got them delivered for 100 bucks. So I'm about to show y'all. It's a Murray. He told me it was a 90s model, wide body. Yeah, it's seen better days, but 100 bucks you can't beat it. Got a brand new set of blades for it. Mowing deck. Mowing deck's kind of rusted and that's scrap. Get a few parts off of it and scrap it. Seat's alright, I really don't like it, but just parts. Or I might keep it and fix this one, ain't for sure yet. Seen better days. 12.5 horsepower. Yes, I guess the muffler messed up on him or something. No. Broke the bolt off. I just used a screw on. It works. It's got E3 spark plug in it. See that? That's good. And this thing is oily. Yeah, she runs and drives. I couldn't really drive it that much because the clutch ain't working on it. He said the belt was too short, and I got under there and looked, and the clutch ain't working. 5-speed. Filthy. Good power washing. She be clean. Let's go underneath. Yeah, I like the steering on this thing. You want it on my Nulla mower, but I gotta think about what I'm gonna do with this one. Got that monster pulley on the back of it. Yeah, it's peerless, but I don't know what kind. Don't know who makes it, but she seemed to work pretty good. I put her down all the way down to 5th. Yeah, I gotta see what the clutch ain't working yet. Cause it looks like the right belt, but just the clutch is not working. Well, I'll mess with that later on. Yeah, but that's it for 100 bucks. You can't beat it, and delivered. Yeah, clean this thing up. She be nice. Whoever done this muffler, they hacked the freaking hood up. They didn't cut it all the way. But this looks like it's been rode hard and put away wet. Tires are halfway decent. Got some drive arc cracks in them, but should hold up. Yeah, but that's about it. See more of it. I ain't sure what I'm gonna do about that lawnmower yet. I don't know if I should fix it, ride it, or what. Because the reason I bought it for transaxle for the racing lawnmower, and the motor for my off-road lawnmower because that one leaks oil so bad. But that ain't a bad lawnmower. Could use a little work. Just have to think about it. Let me know what y'all think I should do. Tear it apart, put the transmission in this thing, then put the motor in that one. I don't know why I want to drive this one, but that's nice when I get the clutch working on that one and drive it around a little bit, test the motor out, and the carburetor does leak a little gas around the bowl, but that's an easy fix. Ride this around a little bit, see how it handles, and one thing I'm worried about is that when that suspension goes up, takes out the freaking muffler. But all you YouTubers, I appreciate it, and all my subscribers, and just want to show you do an update on my new toy.